This workshop is going to focus on dynamic mechanical analysis, DMA. We're going to evaluate how polymeric materials with an emphasis on plastics can be characterized using DMA to understand how the materials are temperature dependent, time dependent, and frequency dependent. Essentially, we're going to look at how DMA can assess the viscoelastic properties of polymeric materials. DMA is an underutilized technique. It's not new, but it is an underutilized technique for evaluating polymeric materials. And I think that really I want to have this workshop to bring this technique to more people so that they can really utilize it to investigate their polymeric materials, their plastic materials. This event would be pertinent to just about anybody who works with plastic materials, particularly if you're tasked with material selection or plastic part design. This workshop will have information essential for you. In looking at the viscoelastic properties of polymeric materials, we get information that will tell us how that part will perform under conditions of different temperature, under conditions of different loading, and over time. Again, something that's very, very important if you're picking a material or you're designing a plastic part. The key thing I think that this workshop will help with is avoiding plastic component failure. That's something that certainly no one wants to have. No one wants to have a field failure. And so by understanding those viscoelastic properties, temperature dependency, time dependency, and frequency dependency, we can avoid plastic component failure. In terms of things you can take and work on immediately, again, characterizing your material and understanding its performance properties is the number one thing that DMA is going to help you with. And so if you're looking at how you can use plastic parts better, this will help you. I just want to indicate that this is a very underutilized technique that provides so much key information for plastic materials. I highly encourage anyone who works with plastics to take this workshop.